Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. In the last video, we saw how to create our ID on Scratch. Today we will see how to start our project and some basic things about Scratch project. Alright, so I have already opened my Scratch platform. Over here at the top, you can see some buttons are there. So if you want to start a new project, you just have to click on this create button. So it is creating project. Alright, so this is how the Scratch window looks like. This is where we have to do the coding and everything. Alright, so firstly we'll understand the basic areas that we have over here. So the first area is over here. Okay. This is known as the toolbox. Toolbox is the area where we get all the tools that we need for the coding purpose. Alright, over here we can see that there are various blocks. All these blocks will be used for the coding purpose. Okay. Now, what we have to do with these blocks over here, we just have to let's suppose I need this first block. So what I'll do is I'll just pick it and drag it and place it over here on this screen. Okay. Now, similarly, let's suppose I need this block after this. So I'll take it, I'll drag it and I'll attach it to this thing like that. So that's how we do coding over here. Then let's suppose I need this block. So I'll take it, I'll drag it and I'll place it over here and I'll connect it. Okay. So now the second area is this area. This is the script area. Script means coding area. Okay. This set of code, this is one script. Okay. Similarly, you can create more scripts over there. So this is the script area. Okay. Now, the second area that we have over here is this area. This is known as the stage. Okay. So what happens on the stage is whatever coding will do over here, that coding will run over here. Your project will execute over there. It will show you how your project actually works. All right. So this is known as the stage. So now the next area is this area. This is your properties area. Here you can see there are many properties, some properties written, size, direction, and shows, size. This you'll understand, but remember that this is the properties area. All right. Now, all right. So the next thing that we are going to learn about are these two buttons that we have over here. Okay. Now this is button number 1 and this is button number 2. The button number 1 is used to select the sprite. Now what is a sprite? Sprite are the characters of your project. If you are creating the game, then the characters of your game. If you are creating some animation, then the characters of your animation will come from sprite. Okay, so this one is the first one. If I click on this, it will take you to the screen. At the top, some categories are given. If you want, you can select from these categories, or you can just type it over here. So we'll go to all, and let's, okay, what if I want this bear? So I'll just click on this bear, and here it comes. Okay, I can place it wherever I want to place it on my page. You can change the position. Okay, this cat is also there. Now, can you see that there are two sprites on my page, and both the sprites are also visible over here. So as soon as you take a new sprite, it will keep on coming over here. Okay, and from here you can select them, and let's select this one. And at the top, I get this bin kind of thing, a trash bin. So if I want to delete it or I want to remove a sprite, I can just click on this trash. So the trash cat is gone. Okay. Now let's go to button number 2. So button number 2 is for the backdrop. Okay. So if I need any good backdrop means background. Okay, so I'll click on this button. So there are so many backgrounds. You can scroll down and you can find more. Okay, and you even have some options over here, categories. Alright. So let's suppose I want this one. So I'll just click on this blue sky, and here it comes. So the backdrop will cover your entire page. Okay, and it will stay at the back of your site. So like this, you can place them properly wherever you want to place your site. Now, whatever backdrops you will take, those backdrops will be visible over here. Okay. Now, these are the two buttons that will help you to create your entire scene on your page. Okay. Now, the next two buttons are over here. Here are the two buttons that we have. So the first button is a green flag. So the green flag is used to start your project. Okay, like a start button. If you have done any coding, then it will start, that coding will start working. And once it starts, then this red button will be used to stop your project. Okay, so these are the two buttons that are available over here. So I hope this much is clear to you. Okay, now the other buttons that we have over here is this, costumes and sound. We have already seen the code. There are some coding blocks in the code. Now let's go to the costume. So if I click on the costume, see, I have selected the site from here, and I'm going into the costume. So you get different costumes. Costumes means appearance. Costume means appearance of any site. So you can change the appearance of your site from here. If I want the bear to be in this position, I can select this costume. If I want the bear to be standing, I can select this costume. Okay, like this. The coding will remain same. Everything will remain same. It's just the appearance of your site will change. Every site, if I take another site from here, let's take this every. Okay, if I select this every and I go to costume, see, this also has two sides, two costumes. So you can check this and you can make your project work accordingly. Okay. So this is about costume. So there is a difference between site and costume. Site is single, like this every is only one, but it has various appearances. Like you can change your dresses, right? It will change your appearance. Similarly, a site can have multiple costumes. A site can have multiple appearances. Okay, so that is about costume. Now let's go to the sound. What if I want to add some sounds to my project? Okay, that time you can use this. So to play the sound, this is the button. You can play the sound from here. Or if you want to add more sounds to it, here is a button, choose a sound. Okay, so you can just click on it. And there are so many sounds over here. You can select whichever you want. How to set it? Just place your mouse pointer on this purple one. Okay, you don't have to click on it. You just have to place your mouse to check the sound. Now, if you like that sound, then you have to go over here and click on it. As soon as I click, I got this sound over here. Okay. In further classes, we'll see that how to include this sound in our project. That is a later thing. Alright. Now back to the code. Now this is how we can work with the project. Some basic areas, some basic buttons that we have over here. Now let's suppose I create a project. Over here, you'll get a save now button. Okay, if your project is not getting saved automatically, you can click on the save now. Okay, so it will just save your project. Once the project is saved, at the top over here, you can give the name to your project. So first project, I'm naming it as first project. Okay, so this is the name for my project. Now what I will do is how to launch this project. So over here, you can see a share button. Okay. So just click on the share button. Now this screen will come up over here. Alright, so here we have the instructions area. This instructions area is used to give the instructions to the user of your project, that if you have created a game, you can give the instructions like how to play that game, like use the up arrow key to move up. So all these instructions you can basically tell about your project to the user by writing it down in the instructions. Okay, so this is my first project. Like this, you can just write it down, whatever you want to write down. Okay, so and this area is about the notes and credit. Now, credit means that, let's suppose you took the idea of a game from another project on scratch. Okay, so what you will do is you'll mention it over here that this is not my original idea, or I have taken this idea from this person, and you can just mention the name of that person over here. Okay, like this is our ID, right? This is our name, PC107. So if you go and watch any other project, there also it will be mentioned that whose project is it. Where you can just mention it that this project is originally created by that person. Okay, so that is graded. Now below there is a comment section, so people can comment on your project, whether they like it, they don't like it, whatever it is, people can comment, and even you can type something over here and you can post it over there. Okay, you can reply to other people. This is a heart. If you like someone's project, you can just give it a heart or star, or this is a confused one, or this one shows that how many people saw your project. So one person saw my project and that is me. Okay, only I saw this project, so it is one right now. All right, so like this it works. Now if you want to go back to your project, this is the inside button. So I'll just click on it and I'm back inside my project. Okay, now let's suppose you want to start a new project from here. So we'll go to file. Okay, and here, new. So it will create a new project. The original one is saved and the new is created. Now where is that first project that we created and how to go over there? For that, you just need to click on your name over here. Okay, you can go to your profile. You can put a profile picture over here. If I click on this profile, here you get the option to put your picture. You can put whatever picture you want. Okay, and about yourself, you can write something about yourself. What I am working on, anything that you want to write, you can write it over here. Okay, then if I again click over here on my name, you will see the second option as my stuff. If you click over here, see, all your projects that you have created till now will be appearing over here. So this was my first project. This was the new project I created. Okay, now if I want to go on this first project, what I'll do is I'll just click on the name. All right, so now I'm inside my project, and how to go to the coding area, we'll click on see inside. Okay, now one more thing. Now how to go to that instruction page. Now this share button is already clicked. I cannot go to the instructions page. So here next to it is this one, the project page. So I click over here. I got my instructions area. Okay. Now over here you can see this button, copy link. If you want to give this project to someone, you want to show it to your friends or you want to show it to someone, you just have to click on this copy link. Okay. Now you'll get the link over here. On the first copy link, you'll click it again and it is copied is written. That means the link is already copied. Now, wherever you want to paste it, if you want to paste it on WhatsApp, you can go over there and paste it over there. Like this, I'm opening over here. I'll just paste it. So how to paste it? I'll click over here, Control and V together, and I'll press enter. Okay, so here is the project. Similarly, this project will be open to other people. That's how you can share your project. You can show your project to others. Okay. So yeah, this is done. My stuff, account settings, you can do from here. If you want to make any changes, username, location, you want to change your password, okay, or anything that you want to change. Okay, so that's it. I hope it's clear to you how to work on this platform. Okay. If there is any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to solve all the doubts, as many as possible. All right. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. If you like this, please click on the like button and drop a comment telling me so that I'll continue making such videos. And don't worry, this entire course will be completed. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye. Take care.